Hello beautiful beings, I hope that you all have found this video in peace. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a simple cornrow. Right now I'm showing you a style that I did on my mannequin head a few weeks ago. To see this style you can check my Instagram at Braids by Kiana. But I am going to just start off by taking down this style so that we can start off with a fresh do. The supplies you're going to need to complete the style is a rat tail comb, a clip to hold the hair up out of the way, and a ponytail holder, preferably a bigger one that you can kind of wrap or double wrap or triple wrap, just depending on how thick the hair is. Now I have her hair all down and I'm just going to comb through it. The key to starting off a braid is to fully detangle the hair. And so here you can see me parting. I use the tail end of the comb to part. Now if you're trying to get a more clean part, they do have precision combs. I do have one, but for this I'm just showing you just how to braid, so it's not a big deal. And once again, you want to make sure that the hair is fully detangled and you know you're not going to catch any snags as you are trying to braid. And then you want to start off with just parting the hair at the very front. Now this will make it easier for you when you get ready to start your braid to the scalp, because you'll have like a clear and defined starting point. I do this when I stitch braid too. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and split that into 3 sections. And the key to cornrowing is hand placement. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my index fingers for majority of this. As you can see, I did take that middle piece and bring it to the front and take my index finger right behind it. And that's going to be the key. You're going to bring your index finger behind the middle piece. Now, the way I learned to braid was every piece that you get in the middle, you add more hair. So as you can see here, I'm adding more hair on the sides, and you'll see that better when I get to the back a little bit. This angle was a little weird, but yeah, so as I'm braiding, I'm just bringing the side pieces around, pushing that middle piece pushing it up, and then adding hair on the sides. As you can see, my index finger, I am grabbing hair here, adding it in and bringing that middle piece forward. And that's just the key. Just keep bringing that middle piece forward, and the 2 pieces on the side. Every time you alternate, just grab more hair in, using your index finger to scoop in the hair. I hope this is making sense. Alright, oh, my mannequin head almost fell. But as you can see, I have those 3 pieces. I'm going to take my hand behind the middle piece, pushing it forward, and scooping in more hair with my index finger. And that's what causes the hair to be braided to the scalp. So I'm scooping the hair in with my index finger and pushing that middle piece forward and bringing it around. The middle piece goes forward, and yeah, just bringing it around. So you'll just continue bringing it around, and each time just adding more hair from the side. And that's the easiest way I think I can explain it. It's very simple to cornrow. It's almost like once you learn how to do it, it's kind of becomes second nature. But this was the finished braid. It's not a perfect braid, but if you are trying to get like a little braid down for a wig or whatever, this will be great for you. I hope that this video was helpful and you learned something. If you would like me to do a more in-depth, please let me know. And I'll try to be more specific on how to do this style. And yeah, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below any other videos that you would like to see from me. I think I'm going to turn this into a series. I don't know. We'll figure out how to do a bunch of different styles. I don't know. I'm still thinking. But just in case you have not heard recently, just know that I love you. You are important. You matter. And you're amazing. Bye, y'all.